box breathing. So, box breathing. In for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 2, 3, 4. Out for 4, 2, 3, 4. And hold for 4, 2, 3, 4. And I think the tip that I really want to give you is to practice box breathing, especially when you don't need it. So 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, whatever works for you. Go through a couple of cycles of box breathing, no more, because otherwise when we box breathe, when we're under pressure and stressed or feeling anxious, our mind initially starts off from, oh, I'm box breathing, so there must be something wrong. It still works. It's absolutely brilliant. However, if we get a regular practice, then the potency of box breathing is far more quick. Far more quick? It works more quickly. Bye now.